Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new video. This is actually my first video for the year 2019 and we now have 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Right now we're gonna get right into this hair tutorial. My plan was actually to have two today, two tomorrow as a little surprise, but I'm not so sure if that's gonna happen or not, but I'm gonna do the very best that I can today to record all 4 of them, so we'll see. But right now I'm rocking the twist. Yeah, I've had these in for a couple days. I thought this was kind of cute, but I'm a top knot type girl, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out because they're actually going to help us to accomplish the style that we're going for today. I did that style so I could actually stretch my twist out a bit. I just clipped my ends when I did my twist. So yeah, I'm gonna take these down and I'll be right back. I got a girl crush. Yeah, this is probably like the best twist out I've had in a long time. If you're wondering what product I used, where did I put it? Oh, I used the Plentiful. Not sure if you guys have ever heard of this company here. These products were sent to me like a while back. And I used them. I think the one that I actually used for this was the curl defining styler for curly and coily hair, but I know I've used the featherweight hold styler for straight and wavy hair as well, because they're both almost gone. It's shiny, it's moisturized, it's bouncy. This could be a style girl. So, you know, if you don't want to interrupt the curl, and I really hate to, this would actually be a style. Oh yeah, and it laid my edges too. Yeah, I didn't use gel or anything, just that product. So I hate it, but we have hair tutorials to do. I was only wearing this as a protective style, you know, after clipping my ends, which look really good. And now it's time to style. So considering I went through all of that work, I wouldn't want my curls to go to waste. So I'm gonna try this style that I've never tried with my hair curly. We're gonna see how it turns out on curly hair. So first and foremost, we're gonna begin by separating the hair that we'll use for our bangs. So it's safe to say I struggled quite a bit in this next step because I was not aware that Plentiful had so much hold. Girl, the parts were not trying to go anywhere. So I used my pick and I kind of, you know, brushed up against my scalp a bit, and I ended up having to get some water. And the water really helped since I didn't use any product. I figured I used enough when I did the twist. But yeah, you can use gel, whatever you have to use in order to slick your hair up into a ponytail, but that's pretty much what we're going for right now. Also be careful not to wet the hair at the top because we want to be able to hold on to some of those defined curls, you know. We need them. We're almost done. We're going to separate those bangs, and this could actually be a really cute style for you if you're a simple chick. But me, I like buns, you know. I just have to do that additional work, so I used some bobby pins and I kind of pinned it into place. It's a perfectly defined curly messy bun. I pretty much wanted to make sure that those little curls were going to peek through and that my bun was still going to be neat in the process. Yeah, it's real cute, simple, quick, and we're all done. And this is our textured bun. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. There are a lot of styles that I feel like I wear with my hair when it's straight, but I never try them out when my hair is curly, so this would be one that I would actually wear. And I have this style on my hair straight as well if you guys would like to check that video out. This is our textured bun with bangs. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.